If you've ever had to move or store a ton of folding chairs, you know exactly how frustrating it can be, but this VEVOR Folding Chair Rack makes it way easier and more organized. We were compensated for this video, but when we got this, we quickly realized that we were not going to use it to hold chairs. Yes, it can hold up to 84 chairs or a combination of like 12 tables and 42 chairs with a total weight capacity of 800 pounds. And we have a really large shop where we spend a lot of our time. So when we got this and saw that it could hold up to 800 pounds, we figured, yeah, a church or a school, community center, or event space might absolutely love this. And yes, it can hold all their tables and chairs. But this thing is actually a game changer for us. First of all, the construction is seriously solid. It's got thick steel columns, reinforced triangular brackets, and extra welded points for added durability. Plus, the 6-hole height adjustability means you can tweak it to fit your space perfectly. The wheels are all lockable and heavy duty, so even when it's fully loaded, it moves smoothly and stays stable when you need it to. It even comes with elastic cords to keep things secure and a dust cover to protect everything that's on it when you're not using it. And don't worry, assembly is super manageable. If you can handle a screwdriver, a little drill, the included instructions, and upgraded parts made it putting it together very straightforward. But get this, we don't use it to hold chairs. My dad actually put it in his large shop and he's using it to hold wood. It's perfect, especially with that large holding capacity of 800 pounds. It's more than what we need it to handle to hold our stacks of wood, our pieces of wood when we're getting ready to work on something. So this thing is so versatile. You can use it in a shop as well as a church or an event space. It's got so many different possibilities. But the main one being, if you're tired of folding chairs and all the chaos that comes with it, this VEVOR rack will save your back, your time, and your storage space. And I really hope this video helps.